Have you ever felt it? That undeniable energetic current sweeping through your life, creating ripples you can't quite explain, or perhaps a subtle shift in the global atmosphere, a feeling of change in the air. We live in a dynamic universe, constantly moving, breathing, and evolving, and just as the moon pulls the tides, powerful, unseen forces are at play, influencing our moods, our decisions, and the very fabric of our reality. These are the cosmic shifts, the powerful dance of astrological transits impacting every life cycle we experience. But what if you didn't have to be a passive passenger on this cosmic journey? What if you had a personal guide, a cosmic compass, to navigate every twist and turn, ensuring you always steer towards your true north? Your human design is that compass. And today we're going to unlock its power to help you maintain your quantum sovereignty no matter what the cosmos throws your way. Let's start by demystifying these cosmic shifts. At their core, they are the astrological transits, the continuous movement of planets through the zodiac, interacting with each other and, crucially, with your unique energetic blueprint. Imagine the sky as a grand cosmic clock. Each planet's position and its relationship to other planets creates a collective energetic field, a universal weather report that influences us all. When Saturn moves into a new sign, we collectively feel themes of discipline, responsibility, and structure emerge. When Uranus stirs, it often ushers in innovation, disruption, and unexpected change. And when Pluto makes its deep, slow dance, we're called into periods of profound transformation and regeneration. Beyond these heavy hitters, other planets also contribute to the cosmic weather report. Jupiter brings expansion, growth, and optimism. Mars ignites action, passion, and sometimes conflict. Venus influences relationships, values, and aesthetics, and Mercury dictates communication, thought patterns, and information flow. Even the faster-moving moon shifts daily, coloring our emotional landscape and creating microcycles within the larger cosmic movements. And of course, there's the sun. While its daily movement through the zodiac sets the general tone for each month, its annual return to the exact degree it was in when you were born marks your solar return. This isn't just your birthday. It's a powerful astrological event that sets the energetic theme and focus for your entire year ahead, offering clues about your personal growth and challenges. These aren't vague prophecies, they're energetic currents. They affect global events, yes, but they also filter down into our personal lives, shaping the collective moods, conversations, and opportunities present in any given moment. You can easily track these daily or weekly transits through many free astrology apps and websites, often found by searching for daily astrological transits or planetary movements today. These resources will show you the collective energies at play for everyone. So, whether it's the big, collective, long-term shifts brought by the outer planets like Saturn, Uranus, and Pluto, the more frequent, personal, and thematic influences from the inner planets, Jupiter, Mars, Venus, and Mercury, the daily emotional nuances guided by the moon, or the sun, which defines our core identity, and its annual solar return, which sets your annual themes. These cosmic movements are constantly weaving a dynamic, energetic tapestry around us. However, while these transits are universal, how they interact with your personal energy field is completely unique. It's not just about what the planets are doing, but how their energy specifically hits or activates your individual chart. This brings us to your ultimate guide, Your human design chart is your personal, unique cosmic filter, a sophisticated antenna designed to decode and process these collective cosmic shifts. It shows precisely how you're built to interact with energy, information, and the world around you. When an astrological transit occurs, it's like a broadcast from the universe. But how you receive that broadcast, how you interpret it, and how you respond to it is entirely unique to your design. Consider your undefined centers in human design. These are the white open centers in your chart. When a planet transits through a gate connected to one of your undefined centers, that center becomes temporarily defined. It's like plugging into a temporary power source. For a while, you might experience an amplification of that center's theme. If your emotional solar plexus is undefined, for instance, you might feel the collective emotional waves of a transit much more intensely, making you susceptible to emotional amplification and identification. The key here isn't to make emotional decisions, but to observe the emotional waves passing through you. Similarly, your open gates and channels become temporarily defined by transits, bringing new energies or themes into your experience. This isn't inherently good or bad. It simply means you're receiving a new frequency. But how do you wisely navigate these temporary activations without being overwhelmed? This is where your strategy and authority becomes your ultimate inner GPS. It's the constant, reliable voice guiding you through the temporary, fluctuating energies of the transits. It's how you make aligned decisions that honor your true nature, regardless of the cosmic weather. Your strategy tells you how to engage with life, and your authority tells you how to make correct decisions for yourself. Now, let's get down to the practical steps. How do you actively use your human design chart to navigate these cosmic energies and maintain your quantum sovereignty? First, know your undefined centers. These are your areas of wisdom and vulnerability. When a transit activates them, you're not meant to become that energy, but to observe it and gain wisdom from it. Let's take a powerful transit like Pluto, the great transformer. Pluto's energy pushes for deep, often uncomfortable, yet ultimately liberating transformation. It can reveal hidden truths and demand release of the old. If Pluto is activating your undefined root center, you might feel immense pressure to quickly transform, to make drastic changes out of anxiety. The practical application here is to resist making decisions under pressure. Take a deep breath, ground yourself, and remind yourself that the pressure to transform is external, not inherently yours. Wait for the pressure to subside before taking action. If Pluto is activating your undefined solar plexus, you could experience intense emotional waves surrounding the themes of transformation. The practical step is to avoid making any decisions in the height of emotional intensity. Step back, allow the wave to pass, and only make choices from a place of emotional clarity or as your emotional authority guides you. Regardless of your type, if you have an undefined heart center, ego, a Pluto transit might trigger a deep need to prove your worth through transformation, to make grand promises about what you'll achieve. The practical action is to recognize this urge to prove yourself as a temporary, energetic influence. Your worth is inherent. Don't make promises you don't truly feel aligned with. Now, let's consider a Saturn transit, bringing themes of discipline, responsibility, structure, and often tests of resilience. This can feel like immense pressure to perform, to buckle down, or to face hard truths. If Saturn activates your undefined Ajna center, you might feel a profound pressure to be certain, to have all the answers, to finalize plans immediately. The practical step is to embrace mental flexibility. Recognize that it's okay not to have all the answers. Don't let mental pressure force you into rigid conclusions. If Saturn activates your undefined spleen center, you might feel a sense of unease, a fear for your survival, or an instinctual warning that feels amplified. The practical advice is to lean into self-care and trust your consistent instincts. Don't let the collective fear or pressure override your own internal, quiet wisdom about what keeps you safe and healthy. But the most crucial tool you have always is your strategy and authority. For generators and manifesting generators, during transits, your sacral authority will provide a yes or no response to the opportunities for discipline or transformation that present themselves. Don't initiate the change. Respond to what the universe brings to you. For projectors, you are here to guide. During transits, you wait for the invitation to share your wisdom about navigating the shifts. Don't offer unsolicited advice or force your guidance. Your insights are powerful when recognized. For manifestors, you are here to initiate. If a transit sparks a creative urge or a new path for transformation or structure, inform those around you before you act. This clears your path and minimizes resistance. For reflectors, you are designed to mirror your environment. During transits, take your time. Wait for a full lunar cycle, 28 days, to make significant decisions, allowing the energies to cycle through you and provide clarity. By understanding your specific energy centers, your unique strategy, and your inner authority, you gain an incredible roadmap. You learn to observe these temporary activations without identifying with them. You understand that the universe is just doing its thing, and your job is to respond authentically through your strategy and authority. This discernment is how you maintain your inner stability, your quantum sovereignty through any cosmic storm. By embracing your human design as your cosmic compass, you transform from merely surviving the astrological transits to thriving within them. You move beyond feeling buffeted by external forces, understanding that you have an intelligent internal system designed to work with the universe, not against it. This understanding allows you to leverage these energies, anticipate temporary pressures, and make decisions that truly support your unique life cycle and deepest desires. It's about consciously aligning with the natural flow, recognizing that you are not just a part of the universe, but an integral architect of your own experience within it. This is the essence of quantum sovereignty, the power to consciously navigate your reality, fueled by self-knowledge and cosmic wisdom. You are the sovereign architect of your experience, equipped with the internal tools to thrive through every cosmic shift. Ready to activate your own cosmic compass? We encourage you to look up your human design chart today. Link in the description for your free chart. Understand your strategy and authority, identify your undefined centers, and begin to observe the cosmic weather through your unique lens. Then, come back here and share in the comments below. What astrological transits are you feeling right now? And specifically, how is your human design guiding you to navigate these cosmic shifts with greater awareness and power? Let's discuss how we can collectively architect a more sovereign world, one aligned decision at a time. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into reclaiming your quantum sovereignty. Thank you for tuning in.